Welcome back to this wonderful channel. So in this video I'm going to unbox a product from Ubiquiti called OWUUBII Light Beam AC Gen2. This device can serve the purpose of point to multi-point, point-to-point access points, kind of pair between access point and station, or between access point and stations. And it's actually a 5 GHz access point. Processor, right? It has an inner feed technology that comes with a 5 GHz frequency, and it has about 450 plus Mbps speed throughput, right? At this moment I'm going to open up this device to show you folks how the whole thing looks like, right? So please relax and watch me take off the seal. The seal here. I need to take it off. Show you folks how the device looks like. At this interface, you will notice there are certain ratings here. This has got to do with the applications where you can actually get applications from. So this these are all for the installation of the access points, and this is the radio. Okay, these are certain nuts and some other attachments, and this is the PoE that needs to power on this radio. Okay. This is the almighty dish itself. This is the dish. So if you look through, these are all the things we can find in this box. These are all the components that are contained in this box. These are the things we can use to isolate. these are all the things you can actually find in this tiny box, right? And these are the things you can use to actually install this radio and access point. So this device is actually able to cover a distance above 1 kilometer. Okay, that's the distance this radio access point is able to cover. So when everything is set up, you have something looking like this. Let me show you. It comes back here, and then you have something looking like this. Okay, this is how it's going to look like when everything is set up. Sorry, I'm moving it wrongly. Okay. So this is Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe